Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create YouTube videos with InVideo AI and turn your ideas into engaging content for your channel. First, open InVideo AI and sign in to your account. From the main workspace, start a new AI video project and decide what type of YouTube video you want to create. Before writing your prompt, choose a clear topic and think about what your viewers should learn or take away from the video. Now, enter your idea or detailed prompt into InVideo AI. Describe the topic, target audience, tone, video style, and important points you want the video to cover. For example, if you're creating a tutorial, explain the steps you want to teach. If you're creating an educational video, include the main topics and key information you want viewers to understand. Once your prompt is ready, let InVideo AI generate the video. The AI can create a script, organize scenes, add visuals, and generate narration based on your instructions. When the first version is ready,
No
preview
me
the
gusta la
entire
textura
video.
del polvo.
Start by reviewing the script and make sure the information is accurate and useful for your audience. Next, check the visuals in every scene. Make sure the images and video clips match what the narration is explaining. Replace any visuals that don't fit your topic. Now, review the AI voiceover. Choose a voice that sounds natural and matches the style of your YouTube channel. You can also customize the subtitles, background music, text, and other visual elements. Keep the design clean so viewers can focus on the main content.